Andrey Ivanov, the head of the project group, has announced the successful testing of a new Russian kamikaze drone named Ovod in Ukraine. The unmanned aerial vehicle works on the principle of first-person view, FPV. FPV technology allows the operator to have a real-time view from the perspective of the drone. Ovod can be controlled by a radio and, also can receive live video via video radio channel. It has a high-quality camera, high speed and, most importantly, jam-resistant communications. The drone is equipped with a detonator, which is necessary to install and equip fragmentation and high-explosive fragmentation munitions. Our goal is to transform known multi-rotor devices into reliable, affordable, and efficient means to perform combat tasks. We test each unit on test rigs and during actual flights, while striving to reduce the final cost. This way, we have managed to create perhaps the best equipment in terms of specifications in this segment at a relatively low price, Ivanov said. The cost of this drone is around $600. The first batches of Ovod have already been delivered to the Russian armed forces in Ukraine.